Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com, and today I'm going to show you cozy home number 24 located in Saryam Vishweshwarya layout, Nagarbhavi extension close to Bangalore University campus. It's a brand new independent house, 30 feet wide tar road is there, Kaveri water and borewell is there, good quality pillar based construction. So very unique design in the sense the site is west facing, door is east facing. Ground floor 2 car parking, and this is one room with attached bathroom. This can be used as a additional guest house, home office, servant room, anything as per your requirement. Backside full setback is given. This is one room with attached toilet and bathroom, Indian style. Branded bathroom fittings, Serra brand. Ground floor, as you can see, secured with safety grill. This is the backside setback, clear 2 feet setback is given. Site is west facing, the door is east facing. This is the entry area. Three balconies. So solid teakwood main door, east facing entrance. It's a BDA Ekhata site, 20 by 30, newly built property, 2200 square feet of super built up area. So this is the main entrance, spacious hall with beautiful false ceiling work, LED lighting, common balcony facing towards the road, and dining, kitchen, puja room on this floor. There is also one common bathroom. Wall cladding has been done for the living room. This is puja room, teakwood door. Storage cabinet has been made in the living room also. Granite flooring throughout the house. Below the steps also storage cabinet has been done. UPS can be kept there. This is common bathroom, Indian style toilet, shower, hand wash basin, and Indian style toilet. There is also one balcony, roadside facing. And right in the southeast corner, this is kitchen. Beautiful glass pillar. Kitchen and dining area. Spacious kitchen. Behind setback space is there. Granite platform. Dining with hand wash basin. So this is cozy home number 24. I've seen the first floor of this house. Puja room is north facing. This is balcony, roadside facing with glass and stainless steel railing, 2 feet wide with anti-skid tiles. Now we will go to the upper floor. Second floor has 2 spacious bedrooms with attached bathrooms and 1 balcony. Third floor also there is a large bedroom that has been made into a home theater, optional room or home theater as per your requirement. This is master bedroom in the southwest corner with a balcony, full wardrobes, beautiful false ceiling work, and attached bathroom. Digital laminates, inside outside, inside plain white laminates, outside glossy digital laminates. Even the fans are included in the deal. This is the balcony, similar to the common balcony below, and attached bathroom. This has a western toilet, shower and wash basin. For solar water heater provision is there. Plumbing has been done. You can go for solar or electric geyser as per your requirement. Only final coat of painting and polishing is pending right now from the owner's side. Once the deal is finalized, before registration, house cleaning, painting, polishing will be completed. Property is in a developed locality. As I mentioned, 30 feet tar road is there. Bangalore University campus is nearby. From Mysore Road University gate, this will be about 4 kilometers away. So this is second bedroom. This comes with sliding doors for the wardrobe. Again, large room with attached bathroom. Even the curtain rods have been fixed by the seller. Attached bathroom. Now we'll go to the top floor, and top floor staircase room. Beautiful skylights are there here. Core cutting has been done with glass cubes on top in the ceiling, allowing direct natural light into the staircase. So this top floor room has been given external outside, though it is covered terrace area. Beautiful canopy is there, so you can have a small party area. Security grill is also provided. Then additional room is given here with attached bathroom and balcony, similar to the master bedroom. Wardrobe, dressing mirror, false ceiling work, and this TV unit is made here. With wall paneling. This is wardrobe and mirror. If you notice, along with the balcony, the southwest corner is projected outside. That is actual southwest Kuber Mule. So that has weight and that is projected outside. This is similar attached bathroom. Balcony. So this was Cozy Home number 24. Located in Sir M. Visvesvaraya BDA layout, Nagarbhavi extension of Mysore Road. Please read the description for sale, price and other information. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.